Hello, Shivanshi. How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. Shivanshi, what are you doing here?
I am learning my IT syllabus
Why are you learning?
because my examinations are coming.
Don't learn. This is not important.
It is important because without education we can't do anything.
Oh, so you know about education? Tell me something about.
Without education we can't do anything. Education is most important in our life.
Okay, who told you?
Vivek sir,
Vivek sir told you. Okay, what did your father tell you?
my father told do study. Without study you can't become anything.
Okay, so who loves you most, your father or mother?
Both.
Both. Do you have your grandfather
Yes, I have.
and great father? Bade papa?
No, I don't have.
Okay, do you have an uncle?
No.
No uncle means no auntie. Okay, you are alone. You don't have any sister.
I have one sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Shivanshi Tripathi.
Okay, who's your best friend in your college? In your school, not a college.
No one.
No one. In girls' school, no one. Okay, and who is the best students in your school?
In my school I don't know.
You don't know. Who's the principal of your school?
Mr. Sudhir Kuti.
How is he?
He's old and he's good.
Okay, how is his English?
Good English.
Good English. What do you want to say here? चलो बोलो लास्ट में. Follow me.
Follow me.
ऐसे बोली करके. Follow me.
Follow me.
Follow me.
Follow me.